Okay, so straight lines, most important short answer questions, 4 marks questions. Now we are going to solve here. So here, one of the most important 4 marks question, short answer question. Okay, so given that, find the value of k if the angle between the straight lines 4x minus y plus 7 equals to 0, kx minus 5y minus 9 is equal to 0 is 45 degrees. Okay, so now solution here. So I am taking the given equation. So first 4x minus y plus 7 equal to 0 is the first line, and other equation is kx minus 5y minus 9 is equal to 0 is the equation 2. Okay, and angle is given, so angle theta is equals to angle. Okay, so theta is equals to angle theta is equals to 45 degrees. Angle theta is equal to 45 degrees. So equation 1 is 4x minus y plus 7 equal to 0, plus 7 equal to 0. Okay, so what is the slope of this line? Okay, here slope m is equals to, formula for finding the slope, minus a by b minus x coefficient by y coefficient, coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y, minus x coefficient is 4 divided by y coefficient is minus 1. Minus minus gets cancelled, 4 by 1, okay, is equals to 4. This is the slope of the line 1. Okay, first line. I am taking the equation 2 now. Okay, so that is kx minus 5y minus 9 is equal to 0 is the second equation. Now I am finding the slope. Okay, slope m is equals to minus a by b. Okay, this is equals to minus a x coefficient divided by b y coefficient. Okay, this is equal to k divided by 5. K divided by 5. These are the slopes. After getting the slopes, I am taking these slopes as first line slope I am taking as m1, second line slope taking as m2. Okay, so after taking the m1 m2 slopes, now angle is given. Okay, here angle is given, we have to take the, okay, so angle formula. So tan theta is equals to mod of m1 minus m2 divided by, okay, so 1 plus m1 into m2 is the formula here, tan theta. So that is nothing but tan 45 degrees is equals to m1. What is m1 value? 4 minus m2, okay, minus k by 5 all divided by 1 plus m1 m2, 4 into k by 5, 4 into k by 5. Okay, so now take LCM. LCM is 5. 5 is LCM, 5 4 is 20, 20 minus k, 20 minus k, all divided by, here also LCM is 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5 plus 4 into k, 4k. So if we can cancel the 5 and 5. Okay, so we can cancel the 5 and 5 here. Now then what we get here, tan 45. Tan 45 value is equals to 1. Okay, so now here 5 plus 4k into 1. 5 plus 4k into 1 is 5 plus 4k, and okay, so modulus of 20 minus k. 20 minus k as it is I am writing here. Okay, so now if we remove the modulus symbol, if we remove the modulus, what we get? We get the plus or minus. Okay, so that means 20 minus k is equals to plus or minus 5 plus 4k, plus or minus 5 plus 4k. Okay, so 20 minus k is equals to plus 5 and plus 4k, or okay, so otherwise we'll take in the next separate next page. Okay, so that simplification will be easy. 20 minus k is equal to, okay, so 20 minus k is equals to plus or minus 5 plus 4k, plus or minus 5 plus 4k. Okay, so now 20 minus k is equal to, either we can take the plus value once or minus value. So that means plus 5 plus 4k. Okay, or we can take 20 minus k is equals to minus of 5 plus 4k, minus of 5 plus 4k. Okay, so now take k to this side and constant that side. 20 and minus 5 is equal to 4k and plus k. Okay, 4k plus k is 5k. 5k is equal 20 minus 5 is 15. 20 minus 5 is 15. So k is equal to 15 divided by 5. Okay, so the
5.
value of k is 3 here.
3.
The value of k is 3. Now here 20 minus k is equal to, here minus 5 minus 4k, minus 5 minus 4k. Take k to left side and 20 to that side. Okay, already we have minus k. Take 4k to this side plus 4k is equal to, I am taking my okay, so minus plus 20 to that side, it becomes a minus 20. So 4k minus k is 3k is equal to minus 20 and minus 5, minus 25. The value of k is minus 25 by 3. Minus 25 by 3 is the value of k. Okay, so what is the final answer? Therefore, required values of k, required values of k is equals to 3 comma minus 25 by 3. Okay, either 3 or minus 25 by 3. Okay, so this is the required solution. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what formula we used here, ma? So here we use the slope
Minus
formula.
A.
Slope is equal to minus a by b formula. Okay, so and one more formula, tan theta is equals to mod of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so we use these two formula and simplified. Okay, so finally we are getting the value of k is equals to 3 and one more value of k is 25 by 3. 25 by 3.
3.
Okay. Find the
Sir.
equation of the straight line parallel to the line 3x plus 4y is equals to 7 and passing through the point of intersection of the line x minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0, x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, so here what are the given lines? So first I am writing the given lines here. Okay, so given lines are 3x plus 4y is equal to 7 or minus 7 equal to 0, equation number 1, and the next equation x minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0, this is equation number 2, and x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0, this is equation number 3. Okay, so now in these equations, so according to the given condition here, so equation 2 and equation 3, these two lines are intersecting. These two lines are intersecting. Okay, and we have equation 1 like this. We have equation 1 like this. Okay, so now what is the question here? Here the question is, we are going to find the equation of one more line which passes through the intersection of these two lines. Intersection of these two lines and parallel to the first line. Parallel to the first line. Okay, so that is the question here. So we are going to find the equation of this black line. Equation of this black line. Okay, so that is nothing but this is equation number 1. Okay, so I am taking this as equation 3. This is equation 2. Okay, equation 2 here. Okay, so we have the head of the equation, so at this place, so I'm taking this as equation 2. Okay, so now solve the equation 2 and 3. Okay, solving the equation, solving equation 2 and 3, solving equation number 2 and 3. Then okay, x, y and 1. Okay, start with y coefficient minus 2, x y coefficient constant, x coefficient and y coefficient. Okay, so y coefficient constant, x coefficient and y coefficient. Okay, so here x divided by, after that, okay, so x divided by AD minus BC concept we are going to apply here. Okay, so AD minus PC is nothing but, so we multiply the product of these two minus these two, these two minus these two, these two minus these two. Okay, so the same thing we apply here. Okay, so if we apply minus 2 into minus 6, okay, minus 2 into minus 6 minus, okay, so next minus 3 into 3, okay, minus 3 into 3, okay, is equals to y divided by minus 3 into 1, 1 into minus 6, okay, minus 3 into 1 minus 1 into minus 6, okay, next 1 divided by 1 into 3, 1 divided by 1 into 3 minus 2 into 1, minus 2 into 1. Now try to simplify here, x divided by minus 2 into minus 6, okay, minus into minus plus, okay, 2 6 are 12, okay, so 12 minus into minus plus 9 is equals to y divided by minus 3 minus to minus plus 6, 1 6 is 6, 1 divided by 1 3 is a 3 minus into minus plus 2 1 is a 2, okay, x divided by 12 plus 9, okay, what is 12 plus 9?
21.
21. Y divided by 6 minus 3 is 3 is equals to 1 divided by 5. 1 divided by 5. Okay. So now x divided by 21 is equals to 1 by 5, or y divided by 3 is equal to 1 by 5. Okay. Equating this constant. Okay. So with both of these. Okay. So x term equating to constant, y term also equating to constant. X is equals to 21 into 1 by 5, that is 21 by 5. 21 by 5. Y is equals to 3. Okay, so 3 I am taking to that side. 3 into 1 by 5, that is 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Okay, therefore intersecting point here. Intersecting
Point.
Okay, therefore intersecting point is equals to P of some number. Okay, so point I am taking. Okay, so intersecting point P is equals to, one is 21 by 5 and another one is 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Okay, so this is the intersecting point. After getting the intersecting point, okay, so what we have to do? So we got the intersecting point. Okay, so this point. Now take the first equation. Equation 1, find the slope. That slope of that line and this line, required line, are equal since they are parallel. Okay, so now we have to take the equation 1. Equation 1. What is equation 1? 3x plus 4y minus 7. Okay, so 3x plus 4y minus 7 equal to 0. This is equation 1 only. So then slope of, okay, slope of equation 1. Okay, so m is equals to, okay, what is the formula? Minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. Okay, so that is nothing but coefficient of x minus 3 divided by coefficient of y, that is 4, minus 3 by 4. Okay, this is the slope here. This is the slope of equation 1. Okay, so now required line is parallel with, okay, so slope of the required line. Okay, so given that required line, okay, so is parallel to equation 1. Okay, so if this is parallel with the equation 1, then slope of required line, okay, slope of required line, okay, so m2 is equals to, okay, slope of equation 1. Okay, that is nothing but m1. So m2 is equal to minus 3 by 4 only. m2 is equal to m1 is equal to minus 3 by 4. Okay, so now required line, okay, so passing through the intersecting point and slope. Okay, so required line passing through P of 21 by 5, 3 by 5. Okay, 21 by 5, comma 3 by 5. Okay, passing through, okay, 21 by 5 and 3 by 5. Okay, so with slope m is equal to minus 3 by 4. What is the formula here? Okay, so formula is okay, so y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1 is the formula. Okay, if we substitute the values in this, y minus y1. Okay, so what is the y1 here? 3 by 5 is the y1 and minus 3 by 4. 3 by 5. Okay, so here minus 3 by 4 is the slope. Okay, and x1 is 21 by 5. Okay, x minus x1, 21 by 5. Okay, so now we take the LCM is 5. Okay, 5 into y, 5y minus 3. Okay, so now I am taking this divide by 4 to left side, so then we get into 4 is equals to minus 3 into, take the LCM 5. So here 5 into x is 5x minus 21. Here we can cancel. Okay, the divided by 5 gets cancelled. Okay, so now multiply. Okay, so inside 4 into 5, 4 5s are 20y minus 4 3s are 12 is equal to minus 3 5s are 15x minus into minus plus 3 into 21, that is 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 63. Okay, so send all the terms to one side. Okay, so then we get 20y minus 12. Take minus 15x, then we get plus 15x and minus 63 equal to 0. X term is 15x and y term is 20y and minus 63 minus 12, that is minus 75 equal to 0. Okay, so is it possible to take common anything? 5, we can take 5 common. Okay, so 5 means 5 3s are 5 4s are, okay, so 20 and 5 1s are 5. 5 5s are 25, 15 5s are 75 is equal to 0. That means 3x plus 4y minus 15 equal to 0. Okay, this is the required solution. Okay, so once again we'll okay, so discuss briefly. Okay, so what we did here, okay, so we took the given equations, then okay, so we are finding the intersecting point of equation 2 and 3. Okay, so after finding that we got the equation intersecting point here, so that is p of minus 21 by 5 and 3 by 5 is the intersecting point. Okay, after getting the intersecting point, we used the formula. Okay, so of the slope m is equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y is the formula. And after that, okay, we also used one more formula. If the two lines are parallel, okay, slope of the required line is equal to slope of the equation 1. Okay, so by using that concept, we got the slope of the required line. Okay, after that we used another formula. Okay, that is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Okay, so by using that formula, okay, so and substituting, we got the final answer. Understood?
Yes, sir.